Hello everyone, welcome back to Bangin Gears. I'm Frank, and on this episode we're going to announce all the winners to the Endless Summer Cruisin Ocean City Bangin Gears giveaway videos. So stick around. Before we get started, I just want to thank everyone who participated in this giveaway video contest. Your support to my channel has been unwavering, and you'll never know how appreciative I am of the support you guys give me by even just watching my content. So thank you very much, and without further ado, let's get right to it. So let's spin the wheel here for video number 1, which was for a fleece. It's the Bangin Gears fleece with the logo on the front, and it says Bangin Gears across the back. And let's spin the wheel, and the winner is Frank Demuth. Congratulations. You won the Bangin Gears fleece. All the winners can contact me through this email I'll put at the bottom of the page. You can reach out to me, send me your info, and we'll get it in the post office as soon as possible. I have everything in stock, so it'll be out this weekend. So video number 2 was for a Bangin Gears baseball cap, just like the one I'm wearing, but not that one. That one is mine. And let's spin the wheel, and the winner is Bowhunter 46. Bowhunter 46, you won the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Congratulations to you. I appreciate you watching and participating in the video contest. Video number 3, which was also for a Bangin Gears baseball cap. Let's see who wins that. Let's spin the wheel. And that winner is going to be Mona Lisa Smiles. Mona Lisa Smiles, congratulations. You won the Bangin Gears baseball cap. Again, for all of the winners, I'll put my email across the bottom of the page here, and you can reach out to me via that, and we'll get you the stuff in the mail this weekend, okay? Now, Bangin Gear video number 3 was for a Bangin Gears fleece again. Fleece with the logo on the front. Is that where it is? The logo on the front and the Bangin Gears across the back. And let's spin the wheel here. And that winner is going to be, round and round she goes, Jeanette White. Congratulations, Jeanette White. You won the Bangin Gears fleece. So congratulations to all of the winners from the Bangin Gears giveaway contests. Again, I want to thank everybody who participated. Hopefully you stay subscribed to the channel, even though maybe you didn't win. But if you're interested in picking up your own Bangin Gears swag, you can always check out our Teespring store. It has a variety of Bangin Gears stuff on it as well. I have a bunch of shirts and sweatshirts and hoodies on there and all sorts of stuff. I'll put that link in the comments below. Also, I hope that you stick around and stay subscribed to the channel. Even though car show season is over, we have a lot of things coming down the pike with some more truck mods I'm doing to my F-150, including some trailer mods I'm doing to my new Black Diamond cargo trailer. So, hope you stick around. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time on Bangin Gears, and we'll see you all again in May at Cruisin Ocean City. Drive safe.